Hello and welcome to this morning's daily update. Not much happening historically, signal wise, just going to look at some short-term charts on primarily currencies where most of the action seems to be. Starting off with the Kiwi, we had a sell obviously last week. Historically, it's been under pressure ever since. Broke down last Thursday, continued lower. Interesting thing was the spike up in the middle of the night, went to that 70.04 point, just one tick above it, and then we've broken down once more. The theme overnight is very much of all sorts of currencies holding supports or resistances depending on which way round they are. This is the dollar index. We had 93.56 as the key support here, and we went also one tick just below it. Got to take out 93.89.5 to open up the upside again. Not surprisingly, this coincided with the pound topping out at its final resistance level at 132.27. I think the high was 29. Weak at the moment, taking out that 32.01 level, so it has some space down to 131.33. Similar story on the Aussie. That also failed at 78.28 again overnight. We stopped a couple of ticks short this time, can't have everything I suppose, so the high has been 78.26. 77.33, although there is a monthly level at 77.79 after the daily sell that we had on Friday. So if we close below 77.79, that will open up 33 at least, and historically it would look a little bit dicey. Looking at the euro, pretty boring really. Yesterday we held the final support at 117.30. The low was 25, but then overnight we've topped out the first resistance at 68, the high being 71, so trapped at the moment. Finally, dollar CAD broke out on some stats on Friday, so we took out the final resistance with ease, extended higher since then, and support has moved higher, 126.13, so that's moved up overnight, so it gives long positions a tighter reference point. Finally, just look at T-bonds. These also, we had to sell last week, we had a squeeze back up to resistances again before breaking down on Friday. Ambled sideways, 151.25 is the key support, but historically and for the year we're still in a major downtrend. So 152.22 reference above. Critical level is 153.02. The reason I really like that level is because it's not obvious. Nobody else is going to be referencing, but that point is important. So if we do rally, very interested if we fail up at that point. Okay, that's it for today.